All right, we've got our Blackhawk all cleaned up. We've got it wiped down with our oil rag here. As you can see, I've added my case, and this is just a silicone impregnated case that I like to store my handguns in inside my safe. Now, before we put our firearm up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a final check to make sure that there's no ammo inside our revolver. Now, I haven't been working with ammo, and I can guess that there's not. But I'm going to do that just to start to learn and create a habit of firearm safety after we've cleaned and prior to storage of our firearm. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open my loading gate, and I'm going to spin my cylinder. I'm not seeing any rounds. And if you want to, you have an ejector rod here on your Blackhawk, and as you spin your cylinder, if it makes you feel better, you can see my ejector rod here coming out of the cylinder. And you can do that per cylinder, just to make sure that there may not be something else obstructing your chamber. And you just do that 6 times, or as many times as you like. You know, as many times as you would like to see, or so that you know personally that you have a safe, unloaded, unobstructed firearm. All right. And so now that I know that this is an unchambered firearm, I'm going to take my oil rag one more time. I'm going to do a final wipe down because I touched a few things. And then I'm just going to hold my firearm here in my left hand with my oil rag, and I'm going to get my bag here ready. I'm just going to unzip it the rest of the way, and I'm just going to set my Blackhawk inside the bag. And I like to set mine frame down, or top of my frame, into the bottom of the bag. Just a long, wide end fits, and you can tell that it kind of fits with the overall shape of the bag. I'm going to set that in there, and I haven't touched my firearm. The last thing it's touched is my lightly oiled rag. And then I'm just going to zip that case up. Now this case has a little luggage lock on it, as most handgun cases and even rifle cases do nowadays. And what I like to do is I just latch this zipper to this bag, and then I put it in my safe. It lets me know I gave a little bit of extra care and a little bit of added security in the safekeeping and storage of my firearm.